Alright, so this is just being recorded with a cell phone. This is just trying a quick test here. This is called a heat shield. It's from an Allied Industries 80% furnace, 2021. After September, they stopped having this issue. But look at it, you can see this warpage. And what it does is it grounds out the flame sensor and gives it false readings. And, well, the furnace stops working and drives everybody crazy because nobody can figure it out until you call tech support. Maybe they'll release a bulletin, maybe they won't. Anyways, there's a big warp here, right here, where it drops in. And I already warrantied it, but I want to find a fix for the customer while I'm there. I want to get them heating again and then come back with a part and get it done right. But I hate leaving them without heat, and this is... nothing's broken, right? It's just warped. So I got a couple pieces of wood here, a little air shim. Unfortunately, my pump broke off. So I got the old Ryobi and just going to try to pump it up like this. Unfortunately, I'm probably going to have to set my phone down to make this happen. But we will we'll see what happens. See if I can get it square again. You can kind of see the gap there and there. So... alright, give me a moment. It's got a digital set here on it, so maybe I could even, oh, you can't see, it's all blurry, but I can set it to, like, say 15 psi, right? So we'll go 15 psi, start. Woo-wee. Okay, 7 was plenty. There we are. The warp is gone. That is flush here, flush there. I might even have expanded it a little bit up higher. A little too much here. Well, it is probably going to, when I relieve the tension, let's see what happens. This is a cool trick. This is working out quite well. Look at how square that is. Alright, so it did drop back down. What I'm thinking I'm going to do is put something right here just to help it rise up a little bit. And I'll switch it. I'll do it on one side one time and the other side the next time. Need like a couple washers or something. I'm going to have to go dig around, so I will pause this. Alright, so I just got this little rubber grommet. Just enough to make it higher than the rest. I don't want to have any scarring on the inside of there. If you've dealt with warranties before, especially with like Lennox, that you know what I'm talking about. My shim kind of pushed itself out, so I'm going to deflate that and set that back inside. Let's see what that does. Let's do it again to the bottom side. I'll just kind of speed it up to the end result here. I'm going to have to make a couple adjustments along the way. I'll take another video if I do add something other than this, but I'm pretty much just going to try to work with this. I'll set it back a little further. Maybe twist the shim. I have smaller ones, I just don't know where they're at. So just hit it real quick with the MAP gas. It's a little cold out, but I figured if I heated up the metal, kind of loosen it up a little bit, and then let it set back and see what happens. Oh wow, look at that, that's pretty. So is it a permanent fix? No. But Look at that. That's pretty. That's almost factory again. So it's doable, guys. We can get them up and running. I mean, right now, I grabbed one for my customer last week, and we went to order another one today for another customer, and they said maybe in a month. There's already 100 people ahead of us. I guess a lot of them came in a big wave. The manufacturer wasn't ready for it, but I'm gonna go to the customer's house tomorrow and make them happy. Just gotta do it again to the bottom side. Yep. Good luck to you guys. Peace.